Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Rough Diesel here at the Labrada HQ, and we're gonna get it in a upper body day. We'll be using a lot of bulk machines today. They got it stacked out here. The Ronin, we got the Attila, we got the Hero, we got the Magistrate. So I'm looking forward to trying these machines. I'm gonna give you guys some tips on everything, how I like to set things up, how I like to move through the movements, even sets and reps and things like that. So it's gonna be a good one. Let's get going. All right, guys, so first up, we got the Ronin today. We're doing wide grip pull downs with more of a neutral grip. Basically, with this machine here, there's a lot of customization. You can bring these in, you can bring these out, you can bring the seat forward, you can bring the seat back. For me, I want the seat just so where my arms are slightly in front of my body, because this is focused on lats, this exercise here. If you bring it up too high, it actually takes the lats out of it. You can even feel this. Take your arm, stretch your lat, and you usually end up stopping right about around here. And then when you turn it, you actually lose a lot of that feeling in your lat. You can even feel it disengage. So give that a shot. You'll see what I mean. But yeah, we're gonna be doing 2 sets right here. Rep range about 6 to 10, which I kind of do throughout my entire workout. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Whew. Oh, that felt good. All right, we're done here. I'm gonna move over to some chest on the Attila and get that rolling. All right, guys, next up we got the best chest machine on the market. the Attila. Now personally, for me, I have this seat all the way down, and I personally like to use these handles right here. The reason being is when you have your upper arm angled in such a way like this, it actually targets all the upper chest you need to hit. So there's no need for me to do an incline press anymore because we've added these to this lovely leverage machine here. So other things you want to note is the starting position. We have the ability to change that as well. You want to have it in such a way where it doesn't force you into place. So anything more than this would be too much. This is pretty perfect. And yeah, let's go ahead and rip it. All right, guys, you're probably wondering why do we have these two weight pegs on here? Like, what's that other one for? Basically, having two here allows you to adjust the resistance curve. If you don't know what that is, basically, it allows you to change how heavy the machine is in certain ranges of the motion. So like here, it's a lot heavier in this plane right here, the beginning. And if you move it to the bottom, it'll start to get heavier in the middle to the end. So if you like for machines to be heavier at the top, the squeezy part, you can add it down there. If you want to have it more in the beginning, you can have it up here. 407.5 to 8. Oh, that's good. All right, guys, so next up, we're supersetting the Magistrate shoulder press with the Hero row. I added a cool little feature here. The newer model will have coming out very soon. You can adjust the seat forward and back, but until then, we're jerry rigging the thing up. Basically, if you got a little bit more shoulder range of motion, that could be a cool little hack for you. It's not necessary, but it's cool to throw in every now and again. Same deal here, 2 sets, 6 to 10 reps, and obviously this one's going to be focused on delts, primarily your front delts and maybe a little bit of your side delts too. And then with the Hero row we're getting to next, that's going to be primarily a lat exercise. Yeah, so there's a lot you can adjust on the Hero row here. You can adjust the seat I'm on here up and down to change the height. You can adjust the whole platform forward and back. You can even adjust the angle to lean more forward or lean more back. Basically, again, we're doing a lat biased row. There's a couple different angles and adjustments you can make to make that happen. Personally, for me, not only is the goal for like at the top of the motion for my elbow to be at like 90 degrees. The other thing I was hoping for is to have this plate a little bit above 90 degrees to change the resistance profile. So the further back you go, the goal is the lighter the weight will be at the top, the heavier the weight will be at the bottom. So that's another cool feature you can have. So not only does it change, like, oh, if I got long arms, I can start here. If I got short arms, I can start here. It'll also change the resistance curve based on where this is in relation to gravity. Let's see if this will stay on there. Nice, nice, nice. There's 2 plates. We'll do 2 1/4 for the work split. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come on, 7. Four, 5, 6, 7. Whew. Well, that's a wrap. We did what, 5 exercises today? We did the Ronin pull down, focusing on the lats. Then we moved on to the Attila, focused on the entire chest, Then we moved on to the Hero. With the Hero, we did another lat focused exercise. And then we finished up over here on the Magistrate for some delts and a little bit of upper chest as well. So hope you guys liked the workout. If you guys have not seen any boat equipment in your gym, let your gym owners know. And until next time, Peace.